Hi girlfriends! In this video, I will be showing a very quick and simple mushroom sauce recipe that you can use on all your favorite meat. On a medium heated pan, let's start with putting olive oil and garlic. For all my Filipino subscribers, you can also use this mushroom recipe to create your own Jollibee burger steak at home. So please try that out and let me know. After the garlic, let's now put the brown onions. Then add your choice of mushrooms. In this recipe, I'm using 200 grams of mushrooms. Keep tossing the mushrooms until they're cooked and softened. I've only tried this mushroom sauce on T-bone and burger steak, and it's really yummy, so I think you should really try it out. As you can see, the mushrooms are already soft and brown, and this is how we want them. We're now ready to put 300 milliliters of cooking cream. Then next is salt and pepper depending on your preference. I'm also adding a dash of paprika, and you can mix them all together. Then I'll be adding oregano, which is optional, and then parsley for just a bit of color. The last step is to add a teaspoon of your favorite gravy mix. For my recipe, I'll be adding this one. Keep stirring for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens, and your mushroom sauce would be ready.